Hello. Welcome to FonePaw channel. In this video, it will show you how to back up Safari bookmarks on iOS. FonePaw iOS Data Backup and Restore is a feature of FonePaw. Launch the program first, then click the iOS Data Backup and Restore. And iOS Data Backup, connect your device to computer. After that, choose the standard backup or encrypted backup. And then select the types of files you want to backup. Here, we will only check the Safari history and Safari bookmarks. Click Next and wait for the program to back up the files. Now, you can view the Safari bookmarks on your computer. Select the backup files and view now. Then, you can view the bookmarks, or you can restore the bookmarks to another iOS device. So, that's all. If you want to see more mobile tips, you can subscribe us or go to FonePaw.com. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.